7:45 going on. Oh my Jesus, Zero!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Okay, so good morning. It is currently 8:16, but I've been up since. Oh, there's a spider on the wall. Sorry. I've been up. Excuse the mattress in the back. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. What was I saying? I've been up since 5, and then I was up at 6, and I was up at 7, and now it's 8:16. While I was up, because I was just up. So, no, I wasn't just up. I was expecting for one of my parents to be up because me and my dad are taking a trip on a little car ride, and I'm taking y'all with me because, yeah, I'm gonna go do something. I'm doing big girl things today. So, for those who know me, know what I've been planning on trying to get. Like, I've been working hard for it, so I feel like I deserve it. So, what day would be a better day than to go? Yeah, so I'm about to go and brush my teeth, wash my face, get dressed, and do all that. And y'all's gonna watch. They're gonna watch me brush my teeth and wash my face. So, let's go.
Creator, comment tu fais ça?
Did I see?
Bing bong. You see these dogs in the downstairs. Bing bong. So now we start. And we is done, son. I'm not washing my face because I'm not vicious. Like, actually using my stuff, and I left it at home. So that's just how we roll. That's just what it is. What it is. How we roll. You know what it is. What it is. So I'm in my mom's house. If you know this, I slept in my old room. Yo, that spider is still in the wall. Y'all want to see the spider? Want to see the spider? Spider. Hello, little spider. Let me stop. Like, jump at me. Then I'd be in here about to cry and have a heart attack. So I'm gonna get dressed and do all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna record again when I get downstairs. My mom is here. Yup, mom's here. My mom just had knee surgery, so you know she's chilling. So I'm gonna get dressed and get back with y'all. All right, so I'm dressed. Oh, okay, mama got on a jacket, sweatpants, and my shoes, and we ready to go. So I'm recording again. We get in a car. We're ready to leave. We might go get gas. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm not driving, so that's all I can say. I'm passenger princess for today, so I get to get on my dad's nerves. Yes, I love getting on people's nerves. So my mom wants to say, y'all get to meet my mom. My vlog for my channel. Here goes my mom. Hello. Don't we look alike?
I'm sick and shut in. I don't like the way the video.
Yeah,
my
the
head was-
quality of this camera is
But hi,
horrible.
she's blogging me. I've had knee surgery, so well, actually, I had a total knee replacement. So I'm just dealing right now. But it's nice to see everybody. Doggy, he protects me when no one's here. Adonis, say "Arr!" Adonis, Adonis, say "Arr!" And that's my walking device. No, there's my meds. But give me a camera.
It didn't die. She's showing y'all all her. She's showing them that. They gonna be thinking something wrong with us. No, there's something wrong with you. There ain't nothing wrong with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. I keep forgetting to tell y'all to do that in the videos. And turn on the post notifications, because I'm tired of everybody asking me when did I post a video. And every time y'all ask me, there's always a video up. So you got to turn on the post notifications. Because I got cut. Tell her about her business. Tell her. Tell her about her business. You don't want to say hi? Okay, well, my dad don't want to say hi to y'all. He really don't like y'all, but it's okay. I like y'all. Get back to y'all when we get in the car. We're doing stuff. So, peace out, Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts. Okay, so that is my car. My baby. Y'all, this car has... Alright, so look. Me and this car have been through a lot. I got a little rundown for y'all. I had to replace the engine in this car. I had to get the brake line done. Like, look, when I replaced the engine, whole car gutted. Or I got to an accident. Yeah, you see that right there? That was not my fault. And then on the other side, there was a hole at the side of the car and the tail light was gone. But look, it was on this side too. You can't even tell I was in an accident. This is a bittersweet moment. It's very bittersweet. But you know, it's on to new beginnings. It's new everything. It's 2024. Cannot have a new car, so I'm riding passenger in a car. I want to be back. So I gave y'all a little rundown of the car. So I'm about to just sit here, chillax, take my coat off, cause I'm passenger. I don't need this damn coat on. I was gonna put lashes on, but then I'm just like, that's doing too much. I'm not putting on no lashes. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get on the road or whatever.
Of course I had to make this song about you right now. Yeah. I told you I was gonna make this song about you right here. Yeah. Hey. Bad little thing, yeah. True religion jeans, yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah. Sex me, that's just what I need, yeah. You got it, that's what I needed. You got it, that's what.
Oh!
A tractor trailer truck just literally cut us off.
That big old truck just cut us off. Y'all get his license plate. Get it right now. Y'all, he just cut it. Y'all must witness the car accident.
Literally just cut. I mean, literally.
Alright, gotta go. Bye.
Let me tell you, girl, before you go. Yeah, there's a few things you should know. I'm still struggling with the do's and don'ts, but I felt compelled to let you know that you a bad little thing. True religion jeans, girl, I see you. Super clean, yeah, what's good with you and me?
Okay, so we made it to our first stop, and we're at a gas station. I don't know where we're at, Hi. Let me stop. It's called Crosby's. Huh? It's called Crosby's. We don't have a Crosby's. We got sheets. We got sheets. And we got giggles too. I just got out the car because I wanted to get out. My legs was hurting. Let me stop. Alright, over and out. Sign off. So I'm back in the car. It's cold outside. And we're around a bunch of water. I don't know if y'all can see the river over there. Let me see. Can I zoom in? Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can't really see it, but the river is right across the street. And it's freaking chilly. Like, it's cold. I can't do it. We're gonna make it to it.
Man, we got a quarter tag. And we're not that far away.
Nope. Nope. Out here embarrassing myself. All right. Because the lady saw my dance. So, okay, bye. This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm getting in a car. And you wanna know something?
What?
I said I'm gonna get in the car for my birthday. Alright, so the lady's gonna come, we're gonna talk to her and do everything we gotta do. And then I guess yeah. So I guess y'all the next time y'all see me, I'll be in my car, in my new car. Yeah. Hold up, cause I'm in my new car. Broom, broom. Stop playing with that girl. Yeah. We're at the New York Bills, Buffalo Bills stadium. They're getting a new stadium. I guess they're rebuilding. So this is where we at. But forget the stadium. Look at the car. Look at the car. Car. Flower. Yeah, this is mine. Mine. In my name. My name. No co-signer, no nothing. Me. This me, baby. This me. Yeah, I'm not driving home. But yeah, this me. Stop playing with her. But we about to do our little 4-3 hour drive home. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get home. Alright, we made a food stop because we're hungry. We ain't ate since 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, that's unhealthy. Now we get food. Because I'm hungry and I'm about to slap somebody if I don't eat nothing. Food. We're getting Subway. Subway.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I could spread with you.
I'm so hungry. Oh my god.
Foot long, 6-inch?
Foot long.
Foot long.
I'm hungry. I'm about to be fat today. Hunger. Hunger. I'm about to fire on this sandwich. Don't nobody know. I just don't understand the hunger. My stomach is doing backflips and turns. All right, I'm gonna order my food. And we made it home. No, we didn't. We got like hours to go. Okay, so I'm back at home. The car ride was a little longer than expected. We went to Subway. I recorded that part. I didn't record when I got the sandwich. Here goes Zero. Everyone say hi to Zero. Can y'all see him? Say hi, Roro. Say hi, buddy. I don't know if y'all saw him. Nobody do that. It goes on 6. I woke up at like 5:20. Went back to sleep. Woke up at 6. Nobody up. I'm like, all right. I go back to sleep. It's 7 o'clock. Woke up. Nobody's up. So then finally, it's like 7:45 going on. Oh my Jesus, Zero! Ah! Why? Yeah, it's ruined. It's ruined. Like, what the? Why would you just jump in my bed? But yeah. Going on 8. Everybody's up. Get down. Going on 8. Everybody's up. So we left. And yeah, that's when the vlog started. So now I'm back at home. We're home. My mom's in the car. And now I'm back at my house. My place of sleep. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Bye. Good night.